Hello, welcome. Today we're gonna make Thanksgiving using the Jeep, of course. We've got our handy dandy Thanksgiving Matic 3000 that's gonna enable us to cook Thanksgiving. And we gotta run to the store and get some ingredients first. So let's go to the store. We're on our way to the store in the Jeep because you gotta go in the Jeep. If you took any other vehicle to make it, it's just not gonna work. The meal won't come out the same. Oh lordy, it's silly.
I'm blind.
Can we fit in there? I think we can fit in there.
If it didn't slant, then yes. Easy in the mind.
Meanwhile, this gentleman over here is still...
He's just trying to live his very best life. He's being so patient.
We're at the store. We'll see you inside.
I didn't start recording yet.
Oh man.
Now I've.
All right, really.
I'm still going.
The only ingredient we need is the dinner itself. So we've got choice of that or that. So we'll get both. So we got back from the store. We've got two delicious options here. I need some input from the wife here to pick which one is most appetizing.
This one has potatoes in it. So I feel like for me, also this is the favorite. This is just a feature. This is the favorite.
All right. So we gotta prep this a little bit before we get home here. Gotta cook it the Jeep way.
Potato with bulk. Look at this wonderful
Flow of gravity.
Could you explain maybe some of these features we have along the side?
So we've got venting on the sides here. We had to separate the food because they cook at different temperatures. This knife will never be useful again, but we'll put it over there. So we separated the foods because we know they're going to cook at different temperatures. And so now when we go to put our cooking top on here, we've got those two separate sections. Yeah, we're gonna put it on the dual climate zone so we can cook and defrost that up in there. All right, this is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen. Okay.
Now we gotta hook up our heating and cooling. It's a very manual process cooking in the Jeep, of course.
This is a manual.
So that'll be perfect. We've got that. Pretty good seal. I mean, you can do a little bit better on the ceiling if you use that spray foam, but you know, we're going for easy installation here. And now we've got to hook up our sweet potato side.
I think it's funny that Pikachu's like, oh, guys.
Yeah, this is something that they never thought of when they were first designing the JLs. Perfect. Easy to use. And we even got our radio back here. We can feed our radio under the cook tube. Good to go. And let's get our cooking going. So we've got our climate zones here. So obviously we're going to prioritize just cook mode. Our two sides, so I don't know, I like my sweet potatoes not boiling lava hot. So we'll set that to 80 and I want the turkey boiling lava hot. And then we got to crank up the cook speed. So we got to give it just a little teeny bit to preheat here. So we'll see you in a second. Our cooked surface is preheated now. So we're heading home. Visibility is a little reduced when you're cooking in the Jeep, but it's fine. You can make it work. Just got to lean a little bit around the cook area. Make sure you're fully visible. So we're back home now. We got to check our. It's very hot. Don't touch that. It's hot. It's hot. Whew. A little toasty. Okay. So here we go. Moment of truth. Still very cold.
Moist.
It's as if you just sort of blew on it for a bit. It's very cold. We made it inside successfully and safely. Now we gotta cook the meal. We still got it in our vented freshness, but we're, like I said, we're gonna put it in. 5 minutes. see you in 5 minutes.
3 hours later.
Okay, it's done. So now we've got to make the effort to actually plate it and look all nice. So we've got one of the nice plates, got little bumpies on the side of it. We got our plating tools. Got our cooked deliciousness. Amateur, you could just plate it like that, but see, we're better than that. So we gotta.
There's the turkey. Essence of turkey.
There is some turkey in there.
I think this is a representation of stuffing.
This is an artist representation of stuffing, followed by an encore, a menagerie of something orange. Voila! Suddenly Thanksgiving. So from the bottom of our stomachs to the top of your tires and Jeeps, we want to wish everybody a Merry Thanksgiving, a Happy Turkey Day.
Or if you're not in the U.S., also we hope you have a good day.
We hope you have a good Thursday. Or whatever day.
Whatever day it might be.
Whatever. No.
Do you feel lean and cuisined?
He says, I'll eat it.
He'd go for it. He's like, I'm here to save the day.
All right. We'll see everybody later. Thank you for watching.